Hello everyone, welcome to hands-on API testing with Karate. APIs are the backbone of modern application and their reliability is crucial for seamless software performance. This course, hands-on API testing with Karate, provides a structured and practical approach to mastering API automation using the Karate framework. Unlike traditional API testing tools like Postman, Karate combines testing, mocking, and performance testing into a single framework. It simplifies test writing with Gherkin syntax and provides native support for JSON, XML validation, authentication, and integration with CI/CD pipelines. Here we have some course roadmap, how we will go on. Initially, we will have the introduction to karate, that what is karate, how to set up karate, and what prerequisites are there for installation of karate framework. Second step is to how to write down the API test and what we can do with the API. Either we can go for only get or we can go for get, post, put, delete, and other operations. How to handle assertions and validation. As I have mentioned that validation response status code, JSON and XML responses in the schema validation. How we can go for data driven testing using multiple files or any external file like JSON. How to utilize dynamic variable. Then how to implement authentication. In some of the APIs we do have authentication. It could be OAuth, JWT, basic auth, or the API keys. Then we will come on that how we will do the performance testing with Karate Gatling. For that we will simulate and running our load test. At the last, we will go for the test reporting and what are the best practices for in the industry for performing the Karate framework performance testing and the API testing. With step-by-step demonstration, hands-on exercise, and industry best practice, this course ensures that learners not only understand the concept but also gain practical experience in automating API test efficiently. There are some prerequisites before starting this course. Ensure you have the following setup. Java 8 plus version required to run Karate framework. Maven latest version required to run IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse or any Java IDE development environment to write and execute tests. Cucumber plugin support Gherkin syntax enhancing test writing in Karate. There are some optional but recommended basic knowledge of APIs, HTTP methods, JSON, REST concept to the QA engineer or the developer or the automation engineer. They should have familiarity with Java or scripting language, not mandatory but helpful. Understand of test automation principle help in structured test case efficiently. By ensuring you have these prerequisites set up, you will have a smooth learning experience as you dive into API testing with Karate. Let's go.